Welcome back to Fab Fun. My name's Logan and today we're going to be working on this goat shed. I've got a little bit more form work to do here. I've got to fill in a little bit of this and bring that up because I don't have enough concrete to fill all of it in. The little goater home over there that I made has worked very well for a while, but come this winter they're going to need a little bit more protection. So concrete and some structure. Probably going to be a metal siding, some cheap stuff, really simple. It's about 8 foot by 8 foot here, and will probably be 6 or 8 foot high. Trying to keep it low on a budget because these goats have not been laying very many eggs to sell. So stay tuned. All right, went down to the tree line in the field and got some, well, red clay, I guess, maybe, whatever it is. It's a little bit better for fill than topsoil with a lot of sod in it. I'll try to get any of this organic material out, pack this down, raise up the center of it a little bit. I want to keep the edges a little bit deeper. Obviously with the water running down, kind of comes off the barn out there and runs down this little low spot. Any groundwater that's moving, or surface water, whatever you want to call it, I don't want it to go and start eroding underneath the edge, so the edge is going to be a little bit thicker, go a little bit deeper, but the center I can raise it up a little bit. Cut up some threaded rod, put it in there, filled in around the form, should be good. Wheelbarrow's ready, concrete mixer's ready, concrete's ready, water's ready. I'm not ready. I don't want to do this, but it's time to get to work. That's 39 bags. I probably could have used 2 more. Maybe 1 more. A little bit low up there. I ran the bull float on it just for a little bit, and it's just too wet. The last couple batches I made really thin so I could smooth them out real well. But they're so watery that it's you got to move the bull float very much. It just sloshes concrete off the edge. So I'll let it dry up just a little bit, and then I will run the bull float on it and try to clean up the edges a little bit. Nothing like a vacation day to wear yourself out. Well, it's not the prettiest concrete pad you'll ever see, but it's good enough for the goats to sleep on, I guess. So that's going to be it for tonight. We do appreciate everybody watching. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you should. And we'll catch you next time. Have fun.